guys, so what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is probably going to be one of the most realistic videos that you guys are going to see from me, and this is going to be a clean with me. Now the place that I moved to is a older built place, and it's kind of small because it's an upper lower, so it gets dirty really fast. Now I clean my house almost every day. Sometimes you know how that goes when stuff gets piled up, so what you guys are seeing is my little, I guess, mess from the past day. So it's not bad, but I decided, like, why not do a clean with me? I see that people are doing that a lot, so it might be interesting to see me just kind of clean. So I'm not gonna talk too much, let's just hop into it. Well, you got yourself twisted up. This is my bathroom, y'all, and for the most part right now it doesn't really need to be cleaned, so I didn't come in here. But my bathroom is really tiny, like it's like so small. But you know, this wasn't my choice. This house really wasn't my choice, but I'm a mom first and I have to provide for me and my son. And after all that stuff happened with my old place, I just kind of had to take what I could get, as far as like my record and stuff like that. But that's another story and I already went over that. So yeah, I just cleaned like two rooms today. I try to clean every day or every other day if I, you know, got a little lazy day. You know how that goes. You just like tired and just laying around or whatever. For me, I might be editing or just, you know, chilling with my son and just watching movies or something. So yeah, my house really isn't extravagant, but trust me, honey, as soon as I get my stuff together, I'm going to get in the nicest condo. And I'm probably not going to be here, might be out of state, I don't know, but I see it for 2020 because I'm tired of living in places that I don't like. But yes, you guys, this is Vlogmas day, I don't know, whatever I'm gonna title it, but I hope you guys enjoyed today. I'm gonna shower and get some videos done, and like always, I love you guys and I will see you in the next video.